I would like to thank the High Command, particularly Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul ji, and also Venugopal ji and Surjewala ji, who are participated in the discussion. As Shiv Kumar told, that we have explained the development and the situation in Karnataka and what the partisan attitude taken by the governor of Karnataka and giving sanction to prosecute me, and it has been challenged and before the court. I do not want to tell much about it. And it is coming up on 29th. See, we believe in court. We believe in courts. We believe in law of the land. See, we hope that the law definitely, because the decision taken by the governor is unconstitutional and illegal. Therefore, we can get the justice at the hands of the courts. I thank once again the High Command, particularly Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, Mr. Venugopal, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji, Mr. Surjewala ji.